During a 4-day backcountry trip, something changed within me. By putting myself in situations I would normally avoid, I found myself feeling accomplished, proud, and wanting to push myself further.
Good morning, everybody. We are back on a hike, just a day hike today to Bourgeau Lakes and Harvey Pass. It is going to be a little bit over 9 kilometers and potentially up to 1,000 meters of ascent. So far, the elevation has been pretty gradual, which is nice, though I think it will get steeper once we get close to the lake. So, yeah. It's a really nice and sunny day, even warm. I wore my long sleeve because it said it was going to be raining and it was quite chilly this morning. Bit. Took me a bit longer to walk, a bit slower. There will be steeper places if I want to get to the pass. But I made it. We're almost there. Now we're on a nice open meadow, I guess, with all the mountains surrounding us. It's quite beautiful.
I will always remember this hike as the first one that felt different. My original goal was to reach the lake, which in the past would have been enough. But this time I wanted to keep going. I needed to see what was beyond the hill, even if it meant going further and climbing higher.
Yay! I'm happy we came out here today.
I didn't stop finding the uphill difficult. What changed was my response to it.
Going up, 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 up we go, with a bit of scree, which is fine on the way up, but it's gonna be a fun way to come down. That's like my weakness in hiking. It's exactly this. We just went through so far what's been the hardest for me, which was just loose rock uphill, and then with the drop-offs it's very scary. But now we've gone past that, at least for now, and it's so beautiful. We just saw our first marmot and we're so happy about it. It came so close to us. It's actually just chilling right there. I'm so happy.
Whatever shifted back then stayed with me here. I realized that for the first time I was embracing the full journey.
I hope you can hear me. It is windy. It's very nice. We're gonna get a really nice view of the mountains, the mountain range just in front of us. Whee! Okay guys, I'm feeling pretty adventurous, so I wanted to go up the mount, but it seems like there might be some thunderstorms coming, and as you can tell, the wind's pretty windy. The wind is winding. So it might not be a good idea to be on top of a mountain, which would be down there. It wouldn't take us very long to get there, but yeah, I don't want to be blown off the mountain. Or struck by lightning. Okay.
I don't know exactly when it happened, but somewhere along the way, something opened up. In how I hike, but mostly in how I see myself.
Alright, we're going down. Are you sure you're gonna go for a swim? Are you sure you're gonna go for a swim? Another moment. What cuties! Oh my god! Oh, bless you! I could like stay all day watching this. My turn to go down. He is crazy. Yeah. It's not the best weather for it.